Kirongoreria ciĩgiĩ riboti ya atongoria kuma moho wa Kenya Kwanza na nĩ atongoria kuma gwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza na makĩria kiama-inĩ kia UDA magitongoretio nĩ muikariri giti niwe Cecily Mbarire hamwe na mutongoria wa aria aingi mbungeini niwe Kimani Ichungwa nimokirire na njĩra nene mutongoria wa gwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja na makĩria nĩ Mirurugano ya wiira na ũndũmwe na prersident muhuruku wiira makimagweta ta amwe a aria makirugamirira mirurugano gukiri uguo nimaugite ati mutongoria uyu wa gwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja ni ihinda agiriire gukorwo agitacukirio makinya marumu ma kiwatho.
Noted concern that unlike before, when the well-orchestrated violence was witnessed in some predictable parts of the country, the perpetrators of these heinous crimes imported the mayhem to other parts of the country. It is sad that as a country, we have allowed Mr. Odinga to run amok by funding violence anytime he's defeated in an election.
It is quite clear that after every election, Mr. Odinga has found it fit to use bloodshed and anarchy to negotiate himself into power. He is now joined by his sponsor, who to date is yet to believe, as I said, is not in power, and his puppet never got anywhere close to power. And you can see the hands of the sponsor in the activation and mobilization of Mungiki gangs yesterday. Your campaign of anarchy, your campaign of bloodshed and economic sabotage will go very far. Kenyans know you, Kenyans know your sponsor, and you must be dealt with decisively. To deal with Mr. Odinga, his sponsor, and all the other economic saboteurs with the full force of the law, and nobody should be spared. Not Mr. Odinga, not his sponsor, not the marauding gangs of Mungiki. They have
na ripoti iyo